Hi, I'm Luann Hammond, drivingthenation.com. I'm here with Dr. Hohm. He's the head of the self-driving project for Continental. It's a pretty big project.
Yes, absolutely. And this is an absolutely exciting area where we're working on the future of mobility. And you can imagine for someone with an engineering background, it's a great opportunity to work here on an absolutely exciting topic.
So what I'm seeing is sort of on an overview. We've got a couple of competitors like Bosch and ZF that are hot on your heels. So ZF just purchased TRW. They just announced another partnership with Hella, and they're also working with NVIDIA. You've got a group of companies that you've either been purchasing or partnering with to create this entire flower. So talk to me a little bit about what you do yourself, but why you partner with certain companies, because you're partnered with NVIDIA as well.
So I think it is very important to understand that we are looking very specifically about what can we cover internally, with our own competency, where we have many years of experience in many of the areas which are required for automated driving. But then there are areas which concerns, for example, kinds of ecosystem or digital maps. Of course, 20 years ago, Continental was not doing digital maps,
Right.
So there are experts in the field, and all together bringing together the necessary knowledge to really put these functionalities on the road,
So that is called HERE.
Yes, exactly.
What you're talking about. And HERE is owned by BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. But you're partnering with them.
Exactly, because this is a company which provides that mapping service, and this is an important part of automated driving, and therefore we have done a partnership with them. They have a benefit, we have a benefit, and we both can get forward with that.
So you've also partnered recently with a group called ASC in California.
Yeah, we have bought this company actually and have integrated into our company, because they are addressing LiDAR sensors, laser sensors for detecting what is going on around the vehicle.
Yes.
And it's a very promising technology, and therefore we have integrated it in our company. And they have the approach really to use laser technology with an approach that it is also suitable for mass production, which is important for us, not only making sensors for some showcases. We really want to supply mass production. This is our role. Our key background is industrialization as Continental.
So the difference here is you bought ASC, you're partnering with HERE. So you can tell ASC what direction you want, whether you want them to partner with anyone else, or if you just want that as part of your own cachet.
Yeah.
Here, NVIDIA, you're partnering, and they can partner with Bosch or ZF or any other competitor.
Yeah. So the basic question is always, do we want, from a strategic perspective, integrate this knowledge into our core competency?
Yes.
Or it is just something where we are, with our products, with our solutions, part of some bigger ecosystem, and where we don't want to strategically grow in certain areas, and then there is sometimes the better opportunity to make a partnership of that.
So let me then go back to the example of NVIDIA, because Bosch and ZF are both partnering with NVIDIA. You're partnering with them, but only for a specific component. What would that be?
Exactly. So you have to differentiate. First of all, there is the pre-development area where you have a wide variety of different tools available for that. And there, NVIDIA offers some powerful tool set which we also use for that purpose. If we come to really the development of mass production electronics, and control units, there we have some serious projects, serious development to develop exactly that. And there we have to look exactly at the details about, do we need competencies from the outside, or can we realize this from the inside? But this is a totally different aspect of comparing to putting some product of NVIDIA today in one of our development platforms.
Right, because you would use something like Drive PX on an NVIDIA,
Exactly.
or you could use just a smaller component of that drive.
Exactly. So in pre-development, we have to be very fast, we have to be very agile, and therefore we use a lot of tools around the market. That NVIDIA product is one of that tool. But when it comes to the strategic, serious production, serious development, it's a totally different thing. Yeah?
Right. ASL was for LiDARs?
AAC was for LiDARs. ASL is the camera company in England. And this is something, cameras are a part of our business unit driver assistance systems. So this is an area where we really want to put this into our core competency. And therefore, no partnership, but acquisition in that case. Yeah? And they are now an integral part of our ADAS unit, completing our product portfolio so that we are really, in terms of sensors, a one-stop shop for any company who wants to realize automated driving.
So you've got to be looking at this now because ZF just purchased TRW, and that now has made them a bigger competitor than they were before in the automotive industry. If you're looking at 2017 right now, 2020 is when things are going to really start coming on the road. You're going to have some of the stuff we've just seen coming out by 2020 so that people can get used to little parts of it in their car. By 2025, you say you're going to have it on the road, the whole system. Are there holes in your system right now where you're still looking for other companies to partner with or purchase?
Yeah, of course. So if there are considerations, I cannot talk openly about that. Yeah.
Oh no, go ahead.
But we, of course, we are continuously monitoring our own competency, reflecting this on the developments of the market. Yeah.
Yes.
And if we really see that there is a white spot, yeah, then we act very proactively. Like you've seen in all these acquisitions, this was exactly the case. We see there is a necessity in the market where there's knowledge around in some other company, and then we just decided to buy that. But this is always a case-by-case decision and is subject of a continuous monitoring of according opportunities.
I've been watching you over the years, and there are quite a few of the companies that you actually do just buy. So for those small little companies out there that are just manufacturing one aspect of it, they should be getting in touch with you.
Yes, if it is the right aspect, maybe this is an opportunity. Yeah.
Yes.
But I cannot promise anything.
It's a good start.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.